Listen and repeat.
Good morning. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have a cappuccino, please. Could I get a refill on my coffee?
Of course. Right away.
How many people are in your party?
Hi, we'd like a table for two, please.
Follow me, please. I'll show you to your table.
Are you ready to order drinks?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Do you have any dietary restrictions we should know about?
Yes, I'm a vegetarian.
Today's specials are salmon and steak. Would you like to hear more about them?
Yes, please.
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger and fries, please?
Sure. Anything to drink?
A Coke, please.
What do you recommend?
Our pasta dishes are quite popular.
Does the soup contain any nuts?
No, it's nut-free.
Could we get the check, please?
Here's your bill. Will you be paying together or separately?
Together, please. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, of course.
I'll pay with cash, please. Keep the change, please.
Excuse me, my soup is cold.
I'm sorry about that. Let me get you a fresh one.
Are you allergic to any ingredients we should be aware of?
Yes, I'm allergic to shellfish.
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Here's your order. Enjoy your meal.
Can I get some ketchup, please?
The pasta was delicious. Thank you.
How long does it take for the food to be ready?
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please. I'll have the chocolate cake.
What's your most popular dessert?
Our homemade apple pie is a favorite.
What time do you close tonight?
We close at 10 p.m.
How long is the wait for a table?
It should be about 15 minutes.
Could we get some extra forks, please?
Do you have a high chair for my baby?
Yes, we do. I'll bring it right over.
You wanted the grilled chicken salad, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Can we get a pitcher of water, please?
Could you tell me the Wi-Fi password?
Sure, it's Cafe Restaurant 1, 2, 3.
Thank you for the excellent service.
Can I get a box to take the leftovers?
Sure, I'll bring it for you.
What's a good coffee option here?
Our house blend is popular.
It's my friend's birthday. Do you do anything special?
We can bring out a dessert with a candle.
Is it possible to get a table by the window?
Sure, let me find one for you.
Is there a quieter area to sit?
Yes, we have a quieter section in the back.
I think we got the wrong dish.
I apologize for the mistake. I'll get the correct one.
Do you accept credit cards here?
Yes, we do accept Visa and MasterCard.
What's the soup of the day?
Today's soup is tomato basil. Can I have some extra sugar for my tea, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Hi, I made a reservation for 2 under the name Johnson.
Yes, I see your reservation. Right this way.
Is the chicken curry very spicy?
It has a mild spice level, but we can adjust it for you.
Do you have a children's menu available?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have gluten-free pizza crust?
Yes, we offer gluten-free crust as an option.
Until what time do you serve breakfast?
Breakfast is served until 11 a.m.
We'd like a bottle of red wine. Any recommendations?
Our house merlot is quite popular.
Are there any vegan dishes on the menu?
Yes, we have a vegan pasta option.
Can you split the bill between the 3 of us?
Of course, no problem.
Can I get some extra cream for my coffee, please?
Certainly, here you go.
Is it possible to have a table away from the kitchen?
Certainly. Let me find a quieter spot for you.
What's the dessert special for today?
Our special is a delicious berry cheesecake.
Can I get Italian dressing instead of ranch for my salad?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Are coffee refills free here?
Yes, we offer free refills on coffee.
I'm a vegetarian. What do you recommend?
Our vegetable stir-fry is a great option.
Let's split the bill equally among the 4 of us.
Sure, I can do that for you.
Can I get some extra ice in my drink, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right over.
You ordered the salmon, right?
No, I ordered the chicken.
Is there a happy hour with any drink specials?
Yes, our happy hour starts at 4 p.m.
I'd like a large pepperoni pizza, please.
Would you like anything else with that?
No, that's all.